Hi, I'm Stephen Hoepfner. I'm here today at the Goody patch in Goodwood, and we're going to be talking about pruning fruit trees. Three books on pruning that I find really useful. Pruning for Fruit by Bruce Morfitt goes through all the major varieties that we have, especially here in Adelaide. Citrus, all the stone fruit, cherries, apples, pears, passion fruit, figs, mulberries, persimmons. That's a really good one. What that doesn't cover is nuts, and there's a good book called Just Nuts, how I feel sometimes, which gives great information on nuts. And then citrus, because they are just that little bit more of a specialised tree. That one, Bruce Morfitt and Ian Tolley, Order of Australia medal holder Ian Tolley, and that's a really good one for everything that you want to know about citrus.